Okay. I'm Malu R. Abias, Zone 3, Lugon, Camaligan, Camarines Sur. So presently, I am the head teacher of Camaligan National High School. So during my elementary days, I studied at Camaligan Central School from grade 1 to 6. So as a child, I am a happy child as I grow up. I am just came from a simple family wherein we are 8. I'm the 6th child among of them. So as I growing up, my parents are just selling kakanin or food near by the school. And during that time, I don't have baon. No, because my parents, as I said, is just selling food nearby the school.
Nay, pangako po, pag ako po nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral, bibigyan ko po kayo ng magandang buhay.
Pangako yan, anak, ha?
Kami rin!
Of course, there is. But during my elementary days, medyo, my life is just very simple. I can find sacrifices. Or a doctor someday, but because of financial difficulties during that time, and I also want to be in the field of medicine, I took up Bachelor of Science major in biology until I graduated in the year 1990. So during my college life, it is very hard for me because my parents find it so difficult. But with my own determination and perseverance, my passion is I continue with my studies despite the fact that I am suffering from hardship, especially during the time that books was so expensive. But then my friends are also very good. They lend me books in the field of biology. But then may kapalit yun. Anong kapalit? So I let them draw in my subject, in my different subject. May mga drawings kami. So in return, drawing ko sinda. In return, ipapasulit man nila kong book.
Ganito na lang, papahiramin kita ng libro, pero gawan mo ako ng assignment.
Ako rin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Makakatulong talaga ito sa pag-aaral ko.
Until finally I reached 4th year. And during that time in my 4th years, again there was a difficulty in making my thesis. So my thesis na adto. So individual yan. So since my passion really is on medical field, I took a study on bone diseases in the different provinces of Camarines Sur. So yan po ang aking research. So finally, I graduated Bachelor of Science major in biology. So, and then after 2 years, I worked as a researcher, Philippine Research of the Philippines. So, I conducted surveys in the different fields. And then, year 1993, I took up my board exam as a teacher. So I passed that board exam and I teach. Before the permanent position I have several schools from the different municipalities of Camarines Sur as the provisionary as teacher. In 1993, I was hired as regular permanent teacher. And of course, I was being motivated with my parents because I really love my parents and also my family. Just have trust on myself, and of course with the guidance of the Lord. I really pass all these trials, difficulties. First, really, if you have given a chance to work, particularly my profession as a teacher, so I love my teaching profession. So I become so dedicated, committed, and with passion. I also love these kids, the students. So I want them to learn more and to share my knowledge in the field. For me, education really a lifelong learning. So it is a continuing journey, and until finally you will find yourself that you reach your goals and other dreams in your life. Yes, it is the key to success, but it is always double with some values. So values that is being inherited from the environment, from the family. So plus the compassion of members of the family and the community.
So, Rosmilo, what is your advice to some future or aspiring future educators?
So I advise them not to, just to continue with their dreams, despite of the struggles na pwede nilang maagihan and all as they go with their journey. Now I am then living witness of how life really so difficult during that time. As I said, pag sinabi ka to ni nanay na di ka maklase, we don't have money, but because of my perseverance that I really want to finish my study, so then nagpara kami nila.
Okay.
Tapos
na.
Class, bago tayo mag-COA, may nais lang akong sabihin na huwag natin pabayaan ang pag-aaral dahil ang pag-aaral ay susi sa ating kinabukasan. Tama? Tama! Okay, class dismissed.
Yes.